Wider reach. Online distribution channels have become an important part of the cocoa and chocolate industry, with e-commerce providing a convenient and efficient way to reach consumers in remote or overseas markets. The choice of distribution channel is a crucial aspect of the cocoa and chocolate industry, as it can impact the product's quality, cost, and market reach. Distribution channels of cocoa and chocolate products form a complex global network that spans the production of cocoa beans and their transportation to chocolate manufacturing facilities, as well as the movement of final chocolate products to grocery stores and other retail locations. The cocoa tree is native to South America but is now primarily grown in West Africa, where warmer climates allow for higher yields. More than 70% of the world's cocoa is produced in Côte d'Ivoire and Ghana. After harvesting the cocoa pods from the trees, farmers ferment and dry the cocoa beans before selling them to local traders and exporters. The beans are then transported via truck, rail, or barge to port facilities, where they are stored and shipped in bulk containers to chocolate manufacturing companies located around the world. Many large chocolate manufacturers are based in Western Europe, where workers can process the beans into cocoa liquor, powder, butter, and chocolate products. The Hershey Company in the United States sources about 30% of its cocoa beans from West Africa for its American chocolate bars. As cocoa beans are a commodity, the global market determines their pricing based on supply and demand. Chocolate manufacturers arrange distribution of their final products via wholesalers and distributors to reach retail stores, including supermarkets, confectionery shops, convenience stores, and vending machines. Ingredients like sugar, milk, and flavors are also sourced domestically and require their own supply chains. E-commerce has increasingly become an important distribution channel for chocolate products, particularly for specialty bars aimed at niche markets. Direct-to-consumer online sales allow chocolate companies to cut out middlemen and capture more profit margin. In global markets, international distributors play an important role in transporting chocolate products from producer countries to consumers in other nations. For smaller chocolate brands looking to break into foreign markets, partnering with an established international distributor can help match their products with the tastes and preferences of consumers in different cultures. Some global retailers like Walmart also operate extensive international distribution networks to source chocolate products from companies around the world. Chocolate products need to be carefully controlled for temperature and humidity during storage and transport to prevent melting, seizing, or mold growth. Within countries, most chocolate products move through multi-tiered distribution networks involving different types of wholesalers and distributors. Wholesale distributors purchase large volumes directly from manufacturers to resell primarily to retailers. They offer order consolidation and delivery services that allow retailers to order from many suppliers through a single point of contact. Some wholesalers specialize in certain chocolate product categories like gourmet bars, bulk chocolate, or candy items. Cash and carry wholesale outlets also allow smaller retailers and caterers to purchase products directly. Category specialists focus on placing particular chocolate product lines in appropriate retail stores to maximize brand exposure and sales. Brokers facilitate sales but do not take physical possession of products. Retail distributors operate their own retail locations while also selling to other retailers, allowing manufacturers to access niche markets.